We have discussion on urban heat island effect. Our discussion is divided into four segments. First segment concentrating on defining heat island effect and urban heat island effect. Second, factors and processes contributing into producing urban heat island effect. Third, impacts and consequences of urban heat island effects. And fourth, potential solutions and way forward. So let us define heat island effect first. Surface and atmospheric temperature of an island is relatively high compared to surrounding sea and oceanic surface. Sea and oceanic surface temperature is relatively low due to high specific heat of water, and second, depth of water. Heat island effect is further extended into a form of urban heat island effect, defined as temperature of cities and towns is relatively high compared to surrounding rural and agricultural areas, and this contrast is greater in night time and winter season. For example, according to Indian Meteorological Department, temperature of Delhi in 2024 was 4 degrees centigrade higher compared to surrounding rural and agricultural areas of NCR. These are the factors and processes involved in contributing urban heat island effect. First, there is large horizontal and vertical buildup area absorbing and retaining heat. Urban structures are made of concrete and bitumen, which absorb and retain and conduct more heat. There is direct emission of heat from urban and industrial activities, from exhaust, industries, automobiles. There is high concentration of greenhouse gases emitted from urban and industrial activities like carbon dioxide, methane. These gases trap and concentrate more heat. In cities and towns, lanes, streets, roads are narrow, and these narrow lanes and streets obstruct outflow of heat. There is declining cover of water and vegetation in cities and towns, and with the high concentration of dust and suspended particulates, there is formation of dome of heat, trapping and retaining heat in cities and towns. Now, impacts of urban heat island effect and related consequences. Urban heat island effect is a contributory factor into global warming through positive feedback loop. Urban heat contributes into global warming. Global warming further contributes into urban heat. In daytime and summer season, there is recurring heat waves in cities and towns. Nights are warmer. Heat waves are source of heat stress on humans, animals, birds, plants. Their life is adversely affected. In some cases, in extreme heat, there are reported death too. There is load on power supply due to surge in electricity demand for the cooling. There is formation of heat dome trapping heat and retaining heat for a longer duration of time. So these are the adverse effects of urban heat island effect. Now, potential solutions and way forward. There must be recovering and restoration of green areas, water bodies. There must be permeable pavements with the grasses in caps. There must be programs taken for expansion of forest cover through afforestation and reforestation. There must be now concentration on use of clean sources of energy like electric vehicles so that emission of heat, emission of greenhouse gases are largely reduced. There must be practice of green roofing. There is comprehensive and integrated heat action plan initiated by National Disaster Management Authority in India, and everyone should come forward to support environmental sustainability and related human outlook and behavior. Thank you all.